Critical fire weather conditions continue today in Southern California, in and around Los Angeles. Very warm, very dry, and also quite windy. We'll talk about that, and of course that Midwest snow wrapping up, but now transitioning into some Great Lakes snow, thanks to that much colder air in the wake of that potent cold front, as temperatures drop to well below average levels as we take you through the second half of the week in the eastern half of the country. All right, so we still have extreme fire weather conditions in and around the Los Angeles and surrounding areas. In fact, in Los Angeles, we're at critical fire weather concerns with a number of red flag warnings there. High wind warnings continue in these somewhat orange shaded counties. Some 60+ mile per hour wind gusts can't be ruled out. Again, so very dry, very warm, and also quite windy, allowing that critical to extreme fire weather to be possible. All right, here is the view from Cavalier, North Dakota, which is up there in the northeastern part of the state. This is from yesterday, as blizzard warnings were in place there. Very strong winds associated with that storm system. A lot of the blizzard warnings and winter storm warnings have been allowed to expire there, but a lot of wind on the south side of that storm system around the Great Lakes region. We'll strip those away. We'll show you where the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings continue, again around the Great Lakes. And then how about that, winter storm watches downwind of the eastern Great Lakes region for the potential of some significant snowfall. In fact, the Tug Hill Plateau out near Buffalo could be talking 1 to maybe 2 feet of snow. Meanwhile, other places around the Great Lakes starting to see the heaviest of the snow taper, the bulk of that kind of shifting north into Canada. But now we're in that colder air mass, so temperatures are very chilly. Really starting to see temperatures fall. Still fairly mild, though, out ahead of that front in the eastern portions of the country. 60 New York, 64 today in D.C., and 65 in Charlotte, but much colder in the wake of that. And now we're going to see that colder air sit with us over the next several days. In fact, by Thursday, much of the nation will be colder than average, with temperatures, again, about 10 degrees below average.